Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. You are listening to Sai Chandu. So in this video, we are going to see some more elaborate some more things on HTML. So before the head, we are going to list it out what the topics we are going to see in this video today. Make sure that you already seen the introduction to HTML. Basically, it's not only the introduction. In that video, some more brief knowledge gaining is also there. So follow that before getting into this video. Make sure that you see that basic HTML brief explanation of introduction to HTML video. So let's get started. Uh, so I am listing out here the today's topics in one notepad. So I'm taking a notepad. So firstly, we'll discuss a few words on heading tags. So what is the heading? What is basically today's? Today we are in HTML. Okay, HTML hypertext markup language. So topics are see for writing this also, for designing these kind of things also, HTML only comes into picture in web pages. See, nicely I am writing one indentation with nicely I am giving one underline dash dash dash. These are the things we are going to practically see how it works in web pages, how this is going to display for so with indentation in the sense giving spaces and making that whatever we wrote the look and feel kind of thing. Look and we can see, oh, it has some space, you can understand like that, look and feel kind of thing. It is known as indentation in English terminology. So headings and paragraph we are going to see. Paragraphs. So third things we are going to see on tags. In these tags, what are the topics? What are the tags? Oh no, links, not tags. Already basically HTML head that syntax is all nothing but the tags. Links we are going to see. So in these links, what are we going to cover, right? In these links we are going to cover image one, image related link, and comma, and one more thing, anchor tag, right? Anchor tags, image sorry, anchor link related to this one and so we will see these two things, and one more thing is also there. One more thing, one SRC related thing, SRC, if we are SRC related thing, source related kind of thing. Next, whatever the next topic is, and fourth topic is we will discuss something, few words on attributes. So in HTML, attributes in other words, in DBMS, database management, attributes nothing but properties. Okay, so in coming to these words also, based on the subject we are discussing, it meaning changes. Okay, in these attributes are like style is an attribute, there is sort of property kind of thing. Style is one kind of style is one attribute. So we are going to discuss these four topics briefly. Okay, practically we will see the examples with practical examples. Okay, so we'll get started with the headings. Okay, we'll go with the headings. So before that, you may be thinking who are familiarized with this. I hope you people have practiced some few more examples, right? I hope some people have been practiced, right? See, you will write here, right, with notepad only, HTML, right? HTML syntax you write, right? HTML open, HTML close. Inside that, what you call, one head is there. Inside head open, head close. Inside head we have title. In previous discussion, as when we recall the previous discussion, please recall the previous discussion. Title, close, this is title open, title close, and inside below the head we have something called as body and body close. Okay, recall the previous discussions. And so HTML starting is there, HTML ending is there, closing for forward slash with a forward slash is there tag. And document type is also important. In HTML5 you'll find, right, doc type, with exclamation mark, exclamation doc type. What where we are, we are in HTML, so that is written here, right? And we will write it in this we wrote irrelevant names like title, title, title. And here in body, you can write anything in body. This is in body. Okay, in body. Okay, this is the thing we have executed in previous video. Okay, previous session. So deeply we have understood everything. Okay, practical example with practical example. So this is in notepad we wrote. In notepad we have to type it. So for avoiding if you are very much right, what we call familiarized with this syntax, if these words, these keywords are, if these things are excuse, if these keywords are within your fingertips. Okay, if you remember these kind of syntaxes, now ready-madely this code is also available. That kind of editors also there. Okay, so one of the editor is that edit plus. Okay, remember that edit plus. So what it does in notepad, what is there and what is not there, what is not there in notepad and what is there in edit plus, you may think, right? You will get the question you will be getting. So in edit plus, the built-in whatever we wrote everything here, it is already giving that without writing this in body and title, without these two data, whatever we wrote here, the syntactically, it is ready-madely it is giving. It is like going to shop and directly selecting one cloth, okay, ready-madely available, and just paying the bill. It's a kind of thing. But what is happening here, it's a kind of going to tailor and giving the sizes, all the things. It's the kind of not ready-madely available. But there what happens is ready-madely code is available. So you can think, you can think that way. Okay, ready-made meaning is that way. Okay, so we will download that software. So go to Google and type. So this is a new version actually. I'm also not just this is a new version of Google. We have to add it something. I don't want to sign in right now. I want to go as a guest mode as of now. So what is there here? Okay, what we are doing right now? So we are trying to download the edit plus one text editor. Okay, that is very much useful for all the languages, not only HTML. That is useful for useful for all the languages. Sir, wait. What you said, Mr. Sai Chandi? You are saying not only for the HTML, it is useful for all the language. How? You may think how. Okay, I will let you know how. In practically I will show you how it is useful for C language, Java, and so many other languages also. I will let you know. Just type, right, download edit plus. Download edit plus. Okay, you got some one free trial, first link called download free trial edit plus. Okay, click on it. You can see here, download edit plus 5.5 version. This is the latest version. I think these are the previous versions also here. Here what is the version, what is the bit here, 64 bit. So you see whether it is 64 bit or 32 bit. Based on it you download it. Click on more options. You can see here, 32 bit is there, 64 bit is there. Okay, I'll just back. Actually 19 minutes charging is there. I'll just back. So where we are, so right now we are in for downloading the edit plus, right? Edit plus. Okay, we'll just download it. So here where it is, more options. Okay, here it is mentioned like 32 bit is there and 64 bit is there. Okay, So you may be thinking, how should I know which bit I have to download, which bit I have to download, 32 bit or 64 bit? You just go to your this PC. What is this file explorer kind of image here, icon here? Just click on it, file explorer. Go to this PC. This is Windows 10 actually. Right click on it. Click on properties. We just see the system type. Okay, system type is 64 bit operating system. Okay, so that is a 64 bit, so that's why I want to download 64 bit relevant to that operating system. Okay, so in your system also see the same thing and download based on the 32 bit or 64 bit you see and just download it. Okay, so you people also have the older versions. Okay, like Windows 7, right? Windows 7, for them the procedure is like go to computers, right click on it, you see the properties. Okay, there you can find it. Okay, all the specifications you can find it over there where you can see the system type. So here it is a 64 bit. I am just clicking, double clicking on it, it getting downloaded. Okay, so it has been downloaded fastly. So I am just clicking on it, double clicking on it. We'll see what it says. So it is saying to accept and some. I'm just installing it by pressing next button. So what is there here? Image folder. So this folder, current machine, but for machine type other than machine type. Okay, app can't run on your PC. Why? So we'll see some previous versions. Download. Actually, we'll just see. Again, click on accept, install. Okay, now it is able to install it. Okay, click on start copy. Congratulations, your setup has been completed. Click on OK. So we'll see it. Yeah, you can see on desktop edit place is there, right? So difference between notepad and edit place we are going to see now. And one more, remember the previous point which I said, if you remove this HTML and if you remove this body and just click on Ctrl Z, this is you are able to get only body tag, not the HTML tag, correct? So in edit plus not like that, everything will be getting. We will see the practically what I am trying to say. Okay, open it and it is saying do you accept all the terms of above license agreement? Click on this. So it says like click OK. It gives some path. Okay, setup. So I already installed the software basically. For you people to understand, I have downloaded, I uninstalled and downloaded, installed. Okay, so that is what it's saying already there. Okay, I'm going to trial version. Click on I agree. Okay, when you go here, click on file, click on new. You are able to see some normal text and HTML page, browser window, configuration template, C language. I already said, right? Some other languages also you can see here. C language, Perl, Java. Okay, click on others. These many things you can see. Ruby. These are all the ready-made codes are available here. So click on any. Okay, some people are familiar with C, Java, all the things. You can click on, just check it. In C language we have to write. That's why it is not getting. And in go to Java. Click on Java. So built-in code is already there. So this much code is syntactically it is giving inside system.out.println, and after that you are going to, this is a ready-made code it is giving. So after that you can write elaborate based on basic code it give. Okay, so similarly for other languages also it will give. So now we are in HTML, so we'll discuss purely on HTML. Okay, so files new, we'll just close this one. We'll try to close where it is. How to close? just click on file, new HTML page. So we got whatever I said, right? Head, this document type we got, HTML is there, head is there, head opening closing is there, middle something came, we will discuss what is that. Title is there, title is there, body close is there, and body open, body close, and HTML close tag is there. Okay. So what is there in middle? You don't be scared by seeing this much line of code if you are new to this. Okay, basically what it's saying about the editor, it is saying about the edit plus. Okay, edit plus, generator name and author, keyword, all descriptions, all the things. This is not at all required. It is for their for their knowing. People should know. Like this also we can write in that syntactically it give. Okay, syntactically it give. If we remove also no problem. If it is there also no problem. You don't consider that lines. Okay, it is built in that like that only it will be coming. Okay. So what? One more thing we are missing. What is that? En is there. En. What is en? In HTML, something known as lang is equals to en. What is the meaning of en? It is nothing but language is equals to English. We already discussed, right? HTML greater than less than, head is in English language in previous video, right? That language specification, that specifying here with language equal to en. Okay, getting understood? Correct. So in some resources it will also write like US after giving these US. Okay, US or IND India or US. That means it is specifying country name. Whatever after English language, here it is specifying anything is there, that is a country name. Country name it is specifying. Understand that. Don't be confused by seeing that kind of terminology in any other resources. Okay. So I removed that country. So defaultly it is coming with language itself, not the country. Okay, that is the advanced thing I said, which is not default. Okay, only English language it is coming. So in this we are going to discuss, first thing we are going to discuss on what. So today's topic is on what? Today's topic is on headings. Okay. So in HTML we have so go to Google, google.com. So you can see here Google, right? This is Google. What? This is the image kind of thing. Okay, here you can see search engine. Okay, search engine. Here middle it is a search engine, and here what is there? Here Google search is there. I am feeling lucky is there. So you can see particular size is this. What is this? It is one button. Click on it. What happens? Nothing happens because we don't type anything, right? Like that's why I am feeling like click on it. It is going redirecting to some that functionality written like that. That's why it is acting like that. Okay, it is giving these cartoons daily. I said right first video. Based on the events, these images are going to be displayed there. That is the functionality of I am lucky button. That is the functionality of lucky button. That is written like that. Okay. So based on the events, this Google image is also getting changed. That is whatever the images previously there here, that images we are going to see. I am feeling lucky. Go there. You can see the dates. Okay. What is today's date? Today's date is on 3rd March. Okay. So March 3. Somewhere in that country, that country, March 3rd. Google is like this. You have to understand like. Okay. Previous February 24 like this. You can also see the. So based on their countries, based on their image, Google images getting changed based on the festival seasons. Valentine's Day, the image on is this. So based on the events, the image getting changed. Okay. Like that, program is got. They will write from backend. Okay, backend in the sense in here only this like this. They will be getting some edit plus, or they will be having some edit plus, or they will be writing notepad. No one prefers a notepad after giving this ready-madely available code. Okay, no one uses notepad, only this kind of editors will be there. There will be, because it makes work life easy. Okay, it is allowing us to you make the line, writing the line of code decrease. Okay. Okay, so some edit place they will be using, and they will be typing, and you will getting the output. That's it, as simple as that. So you are able to see one button, right? Here also you are able to see another button. So inside some text is written, right? It has specific size. Agreed? Correct? So you can also see Google offered in. Google offered in. What are the offered in? Google offered in some languages. It is Telugu, Hindi, English. Where is English? I don't know where it is. We are in directly default is English. Some other languages it is given. Okay. So what I am trying to say is it has Google offered in, as it got some size, and Google search is another size, and I am feeling lucky is the same size with as Google search. Okay. So you tell me whether these two sizes, whether when we compare Google offered in and Google search, and I am feeling lucky, whether their sizes are different or same. You tell me. Different, right? Correct. 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 How it is different? Only these two are same, and this one is answer yourself. Okay, answer yourself. This one is in different size. Okay, Google offered in is different size. So I can't go directly write in web page. I can't directly go on body tag. I can't directly write. So where is that in body tag? Just copy pasting. Okay, I don't want to type. Google offered in, this is so already I said in previous video, right? If you want something to be written at the displayed on the web pages inside, web page inside, you will write in body. If you want something to be displayed outside the web page, that is in title, we will write in title. Okay, outside, that is title. Okay. So if you want something to be here, whatever you are seeing here, it is written in body. Okay. So some center tags they are used. We will see in future that tags. Okay. So what is there? Control V. Google offered in is there. Okay. So that text you can see, observe here. I'm just copy pasting this text. Okay. I just copied pasted this text. Okay. So whatever written here and here, these two texts are same. I can't copy this. So this is button, right? This is button. So I can't copy this. Or they will just see. I can't copy this one. So by seeing only we can say that these two has similar size of text, and this one has different size of text. Correct. So how that is possible? You can't directly write it, and can't directly write and expect size to be increased. Okay, you can't directly write the text and expect size to be expect size to be have some different sizes. You can't expect that thing in HTML. For that, we have something known as headings. So today's topic is on first topic is on headings. Okay. Further, we have something called headings. You can also do it by CSS width height. That is related to images. Okay, size. You people may think, okay, by using what is use of width and size, that is used for increasing the size correct only, but that is used for images. If smaller images are there, giving width and height, okay, and increasing the image size, that is for in CSS we will go for, that is used for what we call in this also HTML also we will use when we see the links concept. Okay, we'll see that also, width and height, and we'll be practically also, then you will be clear. Okay. So what is this? Google offered in. Okay, I want this text to be bigger. How? Just we will see the output first of all. We will just say the control S. So I'll create one more folder for here. This is this program previously in Notepad we have seen, right? This is HTML in bracket edit
plus EPN.
writing shortcut. Okay. Okay. Control S, click.
Control S. Go to desktop. So we have created one folder. Right? In this we will give two dot with extension HTML. We will go two dot HTML with extension HTML. Click on save. So you can see here save type as with HTML. It is saying two dot. So once again we will see previously what control is. So this previously defaultly it is saying like save type as. What happens if we don't write? We will see that also. Two. We'll just give two. Okay. Click on save. It is saying there is no file extension in the file name. Okay. Do you want to add HTML extension automatically? So it is also suggesting that extension automatically. Okay. Click on yes. Okay. Understood. So people if in hurry burry they forget to give the extension dot HTML extension also. It is suggesting that feature also there. Okay. In where? In while trying to save in the edit place. Okay. That feature is also there. Okay. In edit. So we'll try to see the output now where it got saved. We have saved that in HTML EP folder. So it is defaultly it is saved in Google Chrome rather than Internet Explorer. Previously it is saved in Internet Explorer. Now it is saved in Google Chrome. So double click on it. We are going to see the output. Yes. Google offered in languages. It will be saying here. So that text we copy pasted in the edit plus it came in body. Okay. I want this text here in middle. I want. So for that also we have center tags. Okay. So by using that features only they have written that also. So now what we are discussing is the topic is sizes, right? Google search is and I'm feeling that he has both sentences sizes are both sentences words are in same size. Okay, but here the size is different. Here size is different. Here it got minimized. Here is somewhat bigger in size. So for that, what we have, what we HTML is offering is heading. So we have to H1 to H6, H1 to H6. So I'm writing everything. Okay, H1 to H6. Open H1 open and H1 close. Whenever you are writing a tag, try to remember my point. Wherever you are writing that tag open, parallelly you close the tag. After writing some lines, that distance will be increasing, right? This syntax will be increasing. You will be forgetting to close that tag. That issue happens. That thing happens to everyone. So that's why if you parallelly close it, then it will be very much easily. If you won't be confused by seeing where is it gone wrong, why it's not getting output after some time after execution. Parallelly, if you close it, no problem. It will come. So what I'm doing, so one more observation in Notepad, whenever we write, it is in completely in black color, right? But here keywords in other languages, Java languages, keywords will show. But in these sentences are these English language sentences are identified in color format. Okay, okay, color format. So that's the difference. If you are missing anything, okay, if you are doing any spelling mistakes, observe your color is blue previously. Now if you are missing anything, spell mistakes, if you are missing any word, it is giving another color, brown color. So observe that so strictly identify that kind of things in this edit. That's the advantage. Okay. So A is missing, so I have written A. Okay. So rather than if you are missing anything in Notepad, okay, nothing is highlighted. You are going to say click on Control S and you are going to Google. You will be going to Google and you will see the what happened. You will be seeing nothing errors it will give, right? Give nothing it will errors it will give. So instead of It is not like Java or other languages. It is won't give any runtime errors, all the things. Okay. Runtime exceptions, so no, no, no. It is just about HTML. Okay. So no runtime errors it will give. So we have to observe carefully what happened here. Wherein going to edit text. This feature is provided. If you remove it is case it has been from blue to it became brown. Click on controllers. So I want as I said from H1 to H6 settings are there. Click on Control Z. I'm copying everything everything that is related to H1 tag and pasting 5 times here. 5 times. I'm just changing numbering to 3. Third heading. We are in fourth heading. H4, H5, and H6. H6. So do one thing again. No, no, just cut control. Just copy this one, paste in between these two tabs. In between two tabs. Don't be confused where to paste this one. In between H1 and in both H1 opening and closing, paste this one. Okay. Now write whatever you want to. Whatever the sentence you want to write. Okay. You write. So I am taking this as the content. Okay. Example content. I am going to see the difference. Which content, which header they use. We are going to identify in this example. Okay. So practically we are going to see. Click on controllers. Click on controllers. Okay. So now, as you can see, now whatever the written here, as you can see, everything is in same size. Correct? Everything is in same size. The moment we see the output, whether they are in same size or different size, getting, we'll see that. Click on controllers, we'll see the output. What happened? What happened? Only one thing is missing. So, as I already said, you have to whenever you try to see the after clicking control S also whenever you try to see the output is given to the previous output. Okay? You just click on reload the page or refresh it. Click on it, you'll be getting output. Okay, getting the H1 tag is very much bigger than compared to other tags H6 tag. So these content belongs to which one? These content belong to H5, which is matching with H5. So this H5 is nothing but this one. This much size is there. Observe. H1 is lesser, H1 is bigger size, H2 is smaller, H3 is smaller, or more smaller, H4 is more smaller, H5 is very much smaller, and H6 is very, very, very much smaller. Okay? So that's the difference we have to take an observation. So from H1 to H6. This is about the heading topic. Okay? Understood? So you can see here no difference is there while writing the tags when we go to see and see the outputs. So this much difference is there by only single tags, nothing but H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. So H5 tag is written over here. Getting that with that size, size of understood. We'll moving on to next topic. We are moving on to next topic. So what is in next topic? It is in paragraph. So you'll be seeing question papers, right? In schools, colleges, you'll be seeing question papers, right? While taking printouts, there will be some paragraph. Okay, when you're solving some aptitude kind of questions, there will be some while printing. Okay, you'll be seeing some paragraphs in white paper. You'll be seeing like paragraphs. So similar kind of thing, paragraphs, right? So what I'm trying to say is, so the paragraphs are separated. So I'm writing some context. We try to see the output controllers. Refresh it. What happens? So this is giving some space here, some space, not so much space. So we have followed indentation one by line, one by one line by giving some another next line. Okay. We wrote in, if you write like this, okay, it is not identifying it is a paragraph or not. For this special thing is there called para. Starts with P and closing with forward slash P. Okay, forward slash. We'll see the output now. Whether it changes or after writing before we have seen the output. After writing the paragraph, we are going to see the output. Just click on reload the page. No change. Just to identify, just for understanding purpose here, they introduced something known as paragraph. Paragraph. Okay. Paragraph. So sir, I don't want like this. I don't want. Like this. I want whatever we are writing exactly. I want the same output with same indentation. I want with the same indentation. Now I don't want like this. Oh, is it? No problem. Then no problem. For that also HTML is giving one more predefined tag called pre. We'll see that. Control C. I'm just pressing Control C. Go to next line. Control V. I'm coming back to para. I'm making P paragraph tag to PRE. PRE. Click on Control S. Now see the try to see the output. Just reload the page. I'm going to movie phone. Just reload the page. Try to see the output. Yes. Yes. Got the output. Now you can see as it is whatever the indentation we gave here. Okay. Here some more space is there. More space is offered for free. Exact output is came here, right? Exact output it came, right? Indentation with same indentation. Okay, and I will write it this in new line. Okay, exact output came, right? That is the advantage of with free and without getting. Okay. So you can see the output, right? So this output we have seen free. This is P. It's free time. This is one para, and these are all headings. Okay. Next thing, what we are going to discuss. What is it? Some more tags are there. We'll implement here itself. So some more tags are there. Okay. So some more tags like HR tag, PR tag. We are going to apply in this only. So for this paragraph, I am giving something known as BR. We'll see what happens. Okay, right. BR is nothing but break. Give a break after every line. It is saying that. So go to Google. Just reload the page. You are going to see the output. Right? The same output. So it is giving in Java in the Java language new line, C language new line. That means that is the meaning of BR break.
So we will write everywhere br, only in 3 lines we will write. We'll see the output to make the difference. I don't want to fill these to the same output, so I wrote only 3 brs. Okay, 3 brs.
Click on Control S. Go to the browser.
And reload the page. Okay, you're able to see the output. Okay, I'm just removing one break to make the.
Difference of para and pre. So this is the output. Okay. This is in this we have a paragraph and break is, and in this we have only what in this we have only a pre tag. Okay. So sir, previously you said for writing this separating these headings and this headings and topics we have something called dash like that. We have like that. You said we are going to see the part. We are going to see this in HTML. Right? How? Yes, yes. We are going to see. That is possible with HR tag, horizontal tag. Okay, horizontal line it is going to keep. So when if you are writing horizontal right, I want this topic is belong to what? This topic belong to heading. So I want separation between heading and this paragraph, and I want this paragraph separation and this pre one. This may be the this may be the basic requirement. Initially, for practice purpose, you may see some websites, or you will be assigned by your source or madam this tag. At that time, what is the tag? Only one weapon is there. That weapon name is in HTML. By using HR tag, just go there and write HR. Don't draw like this. Don't draw like this. This is a foolishness. You can see the output like this also. This is a you can obviously by not knowing that you people will give output like this one. Okay, go. This is intelligent, stupid intelligent kind of thing. By writing like this, we'll go there and we'll just see the output. Yeah, you got the output. You can say say to your children. No, no, they will identify. Okay, they will identify you. How? You'll see. You'll see. You'll see. Just remove these lines. Okay, up to where we got that line? Up to here, right? Now you see. Just write the HR. Don't write about it. And separation from headings topic to the paragraph topic. So create okay, HR file. Click on Control S. It is in blue color. Okay. Just go to Google and reload it. Previously it is how the output is like this. Now just reload it. So it is giving entirely. This line is entirely. It is in you people also will be there like I can do like this also entirely. I can press like this. No, no, not like that, not like that, not like that. So that may be the basic idea you will be getting if you don't know about the importance of HR. Now after knowing this is like a no cut, no space between line also. So after knowing this thing, you won't be going further. You will be just using one weapon tag called HR. Okay, that is very much important. Okay. Click on Control S, save it. So what are the topics? Next topic is image links, right? This is very much useful. So whatever you are seeing output here, Google output, I am trying to go to Google output. So I want this one, some Google image I have to take. I have to download. Save as, where is save image as. Move it. Where I should save respected to this desktop HTML, but I am saving there itself as a Google. Okay. Click on save. Some Google image I have taken as from I am clicking OK button. So from there I want it to be I want it to be so in this only we are discussing entire topics. Okay. For attributes we'll try to open it there. For understanding also I okay. Now where we'll click on Control S and cut it. We'll open new HTML. Okay. We'll open new HTML for this link topic. Okay. You'll be confused by seeing this much code. You'll be feeling like no, you'll be feeling difficulty by seeing this much lines of code. If I introduce that links, okay. So that should be freshly introduced. Okay. So that's why for click on files, click on new, click on HTML. So we also have one more shortcut called Control Shift, and we'll try that. Come to the previous edit plus. Just control shift and press control plus shift plus and control plus shift and you are getting a new, you are getting what we call, you are getting new edit plus, okay, with name called untitled forum dot html. So here in body, whatever you want to write, you have to write in body only. So you can remove this document, or if you want to change the title, if you want to see something, title is that, and that is optional. That is your wish. Click
Click on
Control S. Okay. Okay. And when you click on Control S, we are getting to give some name. TRE. Tree. Right. Again, click on S. It is saying like to automatically give a .html extension. No, you don't go by this habit. So this habit is not at all good. You give it self. Okay? .html. You will be practiced while writing answers also. If you are belong to semester, you will be getting while writing also. You will be habituated by this. You can write in your own grammatical way after understanding this. It will be very much easy. Okay, it will be very much easily you can write in your own grammatical way after understanding this practical example. So in the semester, respective semester. So 3.html. Click on save. So try to make habit like this only. Don't be lazy like it is giving the extension, right? I want automatically, no, no. You'll be forgetting, right? You'll be forgetting. At that time you won't be getting uh, that remember in mind that there is an extension html, right? If you ignore that like that, then you will be writing in a semester exams like only three, say with three, not say with three html. You won't be getting that in mind. So that's why habituate like this. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Now you can see your path. See users is all the part have explained in the previous video. In-depth meaning, okay? With in-depth meaning. Last you can see here 3.html, okay? Correct. So that name is assigned here, okay? After going all the folders, this file is present called 3.html. Extension with HTML edit plus. That's the meaning, okay? So next you're going in body type. So what is there in body type? What we have to write? Now we are in topic on anchor type. A is nothing but anchor. Okay? Just write A open, A close. A open, A close. This much is the syntax. Inside we have something syntax known as. I'm just writing as a, I'm considering this is as notepad and just writing English uh, sentence. What is there inside syntax syntactical? You just make a note. I'll remove afterwards. Okay, just make a note. This is nothing but attribute. Attribute equal to double quote some value will. This is a syntax. Okay, this is syntax. Syntactically, this is the main. Attribute is equal to value. Okay, so this attribute equal to value, we are writing inside the A tag, not out, not in between. Not in between. We are writing inside the A tag. That's the syntax. Syntactically, how it's there.
So what is the attribute here in anchor tag we will be using for getting the link? What link? This link, google.com, or getting this link, this kind of things. We have attribute called href. Okay, href, for in shortcut it is like href is equal to double quotes. We will write the value. What is the value here? This value. This value. You just copy this one. Control C. Paste it here. https://www.google.com is the value. This is the syntax for that. href equal to value is the this link. This link is the value. Okay. What is HTTPS? It is nothing but hypertext. Full form of it is hypertext transfer protocol. Okay. You will be seeing this in one of the subjective like data link layer, physical layer, application layer, transport layer, network layer. In that you will be getting more knowledge on HTTP, and another in web technology also you will be getting understanding about HTTPS. Okay. So what hypertext transfer protocol is there? So if we write s, if we don't write s, what happens? If we write s, it is very much secure. If we don't write s, it is not secure. That is the meaning of writing s, importance of s. Okay. So right there, HTTP href equal to some value we have written. Href equal to something, and we will try to see the output whether we will get this link or not. Save it. Go to Google. We are here, right? No, we have to save. We have saved, right? You have to go there and double click it. Control S. Go to that file folder. Where is that? Oh, where is that? 3, right? Just double click on it. Nothing will come. This why? See, see, we whatever the context we wrote in body, that is displaying. I should remove this one basically. I should remove this one just syntactically. So nothing will come. Why? Because we have to write something in between the a. So anything you can write. I am writing related to this Google app, writing Google.
Related content I'm writing. Google link I'm writing. Link Google link. Okay, Google link. By seeing this word, you can go here. Just reload it. You got Google link, right? Click on it. It will redirect to Google. Google. Understood. Understood, right? So that much easy. Anchor tag is that much easy. So we have discussed what topic was anchor tag. Okay. So next topic is on image. So for writing this image, we have one more thing as image
See, we are going to, we said, right, source we are going to use, right, source equal to, okay, we will write the path. Okay, source equal to blah blah. Okay, first I'm showing the difficult one, how to write syntactically how it is there. I'm just saying image, close it. Where is the location? You just go back to where you save the what we call the image. Right click on it, go to properties. You can see the what we call location, right? Just copy this location, see it, and paste it here. Paste source. Okay, click on save.
refresh it. It will not getting because this down image name is there. So basically, it is actually it is some a boy is running over there. When you see go back, so it is saved in some other format. So it is not in image format. Just double click on it. It is not in image format. PDF format is I can say. So I will try to download another Google icon. Download Google icon. So this icon I am going to download. This wrong one. Save as Google icon. Go to desktop. for HTML. So here it is showing either what is saved in. Okay, you have to specify JPG image is there, right? Save type as. Click on save. Again it is saved mode. Okay. You have to give .jpg. We'll apply. We'll try to apply like similarly how JPG just .jpg or JPEG is there. Try to apply that signal HTML extension. Now it is not working. JPEG everything. JPEG. Now it is saved, right? So we are giving the extension. So if you habituate like that, so this is the advantage. So able to see the landscape or image. Yeah, we are getting that. So here JPEG dot JPEG extension with dot JPEG. So we are getting that. So go there. This is right download, right? I'm making relevant name. Google icon. Control C. Click on it. Control and just replace it. Okay. And deleting these things. Just delete. So click on it. Go to properties. You are able to see the location, right? Copy it and paste it all. Paste it all. Already it is there. Similarly, give backslash and write GOGLE Google icon, the name of the image dot JPEG. Save it. You are able to see the output. What you are able to see. No, it is not coming. Why it is not coming? It has saved it.
What is that folder? Where is this folder? You just click on one click. Just click single click.
Copy the name. So your file extension is JPEG. I think here JPG.
We will give.
Control V.
So first we
We try to give JPEG and we will see the output. Or it is not coming. We will try to remove the control S now. So one more shortcut method is there. Okay. After writing this like this, correctly, if you give the JPG formats, I don't know what format. Say I don't know what format. You just drag and drop that image, and we will see what is the
difference. We what the mistake we made. Okay. Go to next line. Okay. Go to that folder. Minimize it. Just by clicking drag and drop here. Drop. You got this. You got the output right. So with JPEG. Okay. JPEG. Okay. JPEG. No, so I already said right, width will be there, height will be there, specific width, specific height, and border is 0. Alt is nothing but alt is another thing. It is specifying one image. It is for textual purpose. Alt is used. Okay, what you are writing in this image tag. Okay, for understanding that, I think this is not required. For understanding that. MAG for English textual writing, English text alternate text is nothing but, yeah, alt full form is nothing but alternate text. So that text is written here. Similar kind of thing. Image is there here. So you can write image is present here to make so if other person see this code, to understand that alt is written here. Okay. width is there, height is there. Now we'll see the output. Control S. So what mistake we did here? SCR we wrote. That's why it is not coming in previous one. Here we should be SRC source. SRC nothing but source. I think two images will come now. Just go there and reload it. Only one image came. One image. I think which output we are able to exclude. Just remove that one thing. Remove this newly one. I think this much text is not required here. Control S. We'll try to see the output. I'm just removing this recently added one. Control S. Now we'll try to see the output. So Control Z. So by this drag and drop it is working fine. Okay, drag and drop it is working fine. We remove this entire path. Okay, we are in that folder itself. Control S. So that's why location, if you are another folder, location, no, it is not coming. I don't know why it is not coming. JPEG. Now you'll see the output. Ah, that format we give wrongly. Okay, that's why it is not coming. Image.
Here, here, okay. So that is a shortcut. I have said for you, that is a shortcut. Just drag and drop. You're able to see both output. Okay? Both output. That is the biggest advantage in the edit place if you use edit place. So we'll try to drag and drop that image. That will see. Some people will be laughing, but people who are new to this course, they should understand the difference between the notepad and edit press. Okay, we'll, we'll go to folder where we are. So I went there. So this is the icon. Just drag and drop hinges. Minimize this. Drag this image icon. Google icon. So click on it one click. Paste it. Nothing. Do you want to save changes to untitled? Save. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Save. Click on save. Nothing. Do some name and save. What is it? Nothing happened. It has been saved here. Something new thing. So that is not positive. So with another notepad, it is getting to it is trying to change the notepad name itself. So that is not required. That is not possible with the notepad. Wherein if you go in edit plus, that is possible. Okay, so that is a shortcut thing, and syntactically this is the thing, and this is a shortcut thing. And we also is already said right width and height. You can see here in Google when you go to Google, when you go to Google.com, Google.com, you're able to see some specific height. Right, this is a hit width and height. Right? Similarly, the width and height is default. It is given when you copy paste it. So I'm giving some 500 here. Try to see the output. What is the default size? No, that is the default size if you are not giving. That's why same size it is given. For this tag and for this tag, image tag, click on Control S and try to see the output now. Just change it. So this is the size, okay? This is the size. So specific size is given for here width and height. So that size is based on width and height. Okay? Getting? I hope you will understood. So that's all about in this topic called as links. we covered anchor tag, image tag, and in image only SRC will be there. Okay. So source, about source topic also we have discussed. Okay, links topic has been completed. Heading and paragraphs. This HR and PR break and horizontal is completed. Now we will go to last topic is on styles. Okay, styles. So click shortcut, use shortcuts, control plus shift plus. We got the new, what do you call, edit plus. New edit plus with built-in default HTML code. Okay, understood. So in this we are going to discuss nothing known as style. So before going to that, you just experiment on style. There is something known as style. STYLE. Style type. STYLE. Write some content. Some content. Okay. Try to see the output. So it is saved with 4, 4.html extension. So we have so many extensions here: ASP, ASPX, SHTML, all the things. So we are taking first one HTML.html. Click on save. So now go to that file folder. There it is here. Stability. Click on double click on 4 5. Okay? That is for Google. So what happened? What we got actually right inside what we call style we wrote, right? We will use some para type instead of this. We use some para or H1 type. H1 type. Writing one. We write some random writing. H1 open, H1 close. Control is to try to see the output. I'm getting the output. Okay. So in this we have something known as style, right? We have to write the style inside the H1 tag. So if you want this black color to be changed, this is a CSS, right? This is so I'm just introducing the CSS also in this video only. So if you want, if I don't want this heading as a the black color, I want it is in some other color, some red color. Okay, other color I want it. So for that we have specific style attribute is an attribute. Okay, so write style equal to double quotes. You write just write red color. Save it. Go to the browser. Still it is in black color. Just reload the page. What happened? Style colon. Sorry, some disturbance has happened. I don't know. They don't know where we are. So write styling, STYLE, close the attribute. Inside you just write COLOR color colon inside you write just red. I hope not here. You just see that there will come. After that we'll migrate one go heading only then. So we have to write inside this tag. So after pressing so many control Z, it's gone. Okay, I said right already. Yes. That works here. So style colon double quotes we write red. Control S. So control S. Press control S. I'll just pause the video just back. Just, so where we are discussing style attribute, right? So in style attribute, now where we wrote h1 tag here inside h1 tag. So we are writing style attribute colon color. Okay, colon. Okay. So color colon red we wrote, right? So what? Why we'll see the output now? We wrote it. So again the same output is from y. Actually we have to write syntactically it is equal to. So color colon red. Now we'll save it. In double quotes only we have to write. Sometimes we may write. Actually I used to write here red. We will see the output now. Colon double quotes importance of double quotes I'm trying to. So here we should not give double quotes here. We have to give double quotes here. So this is what is attribute. Style is nothing but attribute. It has some property. What is the property? The property is color colon red is a property. Where we are writing after equal to we have to write in double quotes. Though that is nothing but attribute equal to value. Property or a value is nothing but same thing. Color colon red. So that is a value. Previously I read said right attribute equal to attribute equal to property or in other words in double quotes only we have to write or other words or value. So this attribute is nothing but this style. In href we have discussed that href equal to some link we wrote it. Similarly, attribute is nothing but style is attribute and property or value here it is color colon that is a property. This is a property. I'm just removing the syntax here. Just make that note. Notes. Okay. I'm just removing this one. Now we'll try to control S, press some control S and we'll try to see the output. Now again it is giving the old output, just reload the page, you're getting the red color. Right? That is the that is the importance if we write color colon red in style attribute. Color is gone red, color getting changed. Okay. We write see other color cyan, just write cyan and we see the output. We are changing the color. This is a cyan color. So that is all about the style attribute. Okay. Next, next what we are going to discuss is some more brief. Some I want one example. I want this thing right where we are just closing this, just closing this project. I'm not. Okay. I'm opening the third one. Third. Where is third? Where is the third one? Three dot HTML in Google Chrome. Three is a double click on it. So this is the output, right? I want the code. I want the code. How to get the code? There is one more question. People will be having how to I want to get the code. Here we don't have the code. Right? Just click on right click on it, open with click on open with. You'll be getting if you don't if edit press is not displayed here, click on open with, click on choose another app, click on more more apps. Here it will be displayed here. For me, already it is displayed. The people who don't are not able to see that app. For that purpose, I said how to see for more things. So you directly here it is edit plus. Click on it. The code will be coming. Okay. Okay. This is the code, right? So I am giving some scenario right now. I'm going to one scenario. Okay. Here it is a link, right? Previously, initially it is blue in color. When I hover on it, I want other color. When I click on it, while changing that, I want other color. Huh? Okay. I want it another color. Okay. So I want it another color. So how that we'll see the scenario. So we have opened the code, right? We have opened the code, right? So for that we have to use the what we call as CSS. So in CSS we will write this style tag inside the head. Okay, inside the head. Okay, go to head, click on it, just type style, open style, close style attribute, open style attribute, close. Inside that we have to write about what this a anchor tag. Now whatever we want, whatever that thing, whatever the scenario we have given, that we have should be implemented on this text English text should be written in the inside the head. That all the code is reflecting to only this one anchor tag. Anchor tag. So anchor tag is nothing but a in the HTML. Okay? So that a is written here colon. So before that, previously it is there in link, right? Just write the link as it is. Okay, just write flower base open, flower base close. Inside that we have three properties called color color, colon, background color, background color, background color, and one more thing is known as what we call one more thing, color, background color, text document, text document. So for some things, text document is underline, underline. Okay. So for some visited over all the things. So this is nothing but technical terminology. Mouse hover, mouse click. We'll say in Java, right? Some scenarios, some topics. Mouse hover, mouse click. Okay, that the terminology. Hover means that hover. So whenever we are moving mouse and click, we go there. That is not even hover. Okay? Just copy that up to here. Copy that. Here we are writing one more thing. One more thing known as transparent. Trans. Just copy this one. Control C. Copy this one. Control V. Visitor and hover and our last one is active. So make this change as link to visited. Visited. Next one hover. 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 And last one is active. ACTIV. Remember one point, every this anchor tag, this much lines of code is only for one anchor. This many things you are writing, that many scenarios are there. When we go there to that, when we mouse goes there, one color should be there. When you click on that, other color is there. That means visited in this terminology. So for that thing, visited, over, active, and link is there. That these many terminals are there. Okay? So these many lines of code only for this anchor tag. 36 line. Okay. So visited is there. So color we are writing, right? So first color I want, initially you see the blue, it is the red. So it should be red. Initially it is red. Now it should be, when visited, green. Green it should be. Now here blue. Blue. Go here, right, yellow. Yellow. Active means yellow. Okay, I'm removing underline here. For link I'm just writing none. Here also I'm writing none. Visited also none. The last two lines I'm writing underline. Okay. Click on controllers. Okay. See the output. So whenever it is click, it is getting changed, right? It is getting changed. When you click on that, you can see able to see the red color, right? So that is the difference. So when you hover on it, already blue is there. That's why it is colliding with hover also blue. That's why it is not identifying. So you let C on. So EN, CYEN. So when we click on it, that link, it is going to red color. This is a practical example. Yes. So initially it is C on. Oh, no, not this one, not this one. Just cutting with this one, right? This is the, initially it is blue. Just refresh it. Reload it. Initially it is blue. Click on it, became red. Okay. So instead of giving cyan, some more I'm giving color like pink, PINK, pink. It should be in red color. Giving yellow here itself. You will see now. Suggest me some. No, no, you can't. I'm just thinking some color names, so I kept two color names yellow in chat. Live chat, you can do that. Not in this. Controllers. Just refresh. Click on it. Link is getting changed. Okay. Yellow it is not reflecting. Why we just see. Tail link visited. Over. Where is over? Link is. We'll try to we'll try to what we call separate this with semicolon. Syntactically, we'll follow. Controllers, click on controller, go to file folder, just click on double click on 3. You're able to see the red color. When you hover on it, it became yellow. Click on it, it became red again. Because we wrote two times, right? Successfully output got executed. Getting very much easy, right? But writing code is this many lines are there, right? This much big thing only apply to this anchor type. For writing, for implementing that in for this one, this Google link, these colors has been implemented here. So this is nothing but a CSS, cascading style sheet. CSS for stands for cascading style sheet. It is giving some style, giving some color. Okay. I will try to explain you what is HTML, CSS, JavaScript in a very much in a will give good example. You are seeing car right here. What is this? You are able to see the car right. Okay. This is nothing but HTML. Okay. Without the color. Assume without the color. Assume without color. Just whenever you manufacture, that is nothing but HTML. Only design is there. Car won't go move forward. No, nothing. Engine is not present inside it. So only design is there. That is nothing but HTML. So going forward to CSS. Now assume with color. This color yellow color is there, right? Color some round design is there, right? This is nothing but CSS. Does car work? No, no, no. That car doesn't work. Okay. Why? You can see, right? I already said initially, right? With no engine. Assume this car has no engine. Okay. Only car is there and color is there. That is nothing but car is nothing but with no color is nothing but HTML. With color is some with color is nothing but CSS. CSS is the duty of CSS is to give coloring. That is the meaning of cascading style sheets. The main thing goal is to give the coloring. Okay, so we have seen here, right? When we double click on it, double click on it. Okay, double click on it. I have to copy this part. Copy this part. Sometimes it happens. Try to go here, paste it. I already said it previous uh, video, right? Paste here. Click on enter. That folder will be coming. This folder structure is coming. Write the name of the THRE 3.html. You're getting able to see the output. Okay. Sometimes it happens like this. This is the scenario. That's why I said like that. We just so you're able to see, right? When we hover on it, it became yellow. Click on it. So yellow car you are able to see, right? Yellow car. You can also see is Google has been changed this latest update today. India about advertising business. So how do you think they'll write like this only they will write. I shown today, right? Where is it? So open this one. Three. So by this link is there, Google link. Click on it. It is redirecting to Google, right? So similar thing has been written over there. So this link, right? About link, advertising link. Today is updated. Today's update. When you click on about, it is redirected to about. Okay. Our mission is to organize the world's information and make university accessible and useful. Okay. That is there. Okay. So they did the same. They have used the href. This is the thing. Go to code. There is the code. How to go to code. Go to file structure. Click on right click on it. Click on edit plus. You're able to see here, right? They have used hrefs and gave the link inside that they gave this one. So we will try to see the output today. About. Click on about. Copy entire thing. Copy entire thing. Paste it over. Paste it over. This is a practical example I'm saying. Today's practical example. Go to new line. We'll apply everything here. Everything. What I'm trying to say, everything we'll try to let you know. Go here. Just double click on go there. Double click on three. We got right. Our mission is to see. Oh, when you hover on it, color it is getting changed. Click on it. It is read because link we gave here is what? Click we give here Google. Okay. So what is happening? What is output here? Organize the is there and it is there useful. The after the it should be new line and it should be new line. Okay. So what they did, how they wrote the code. See, after they wrote just break. They use break tag and what after it make it they have used br tag. Now see the output. Go there. Just reload. Okay. Inside the image is there. That's why this must be. Just remove the image now. Just as of now, just remove the image. So showing only that output. Control S. Now see the output. Now you're getting right. The same thing. The same thing you got right. So that's like that only they wrote the code. Okay. When you hover on it, the color changes. When you click on it, another color is coming. Okay. See on something, some yellow color. So based on that colors, it is reflecting here. Okay. Click on control Z image we want to put. So one more thing I want to use the tag nothing but pre. So I don't want to use the br tag. Just new line. Whatever we learned here, Google as per the rules of we're trying to execute it. Pre. Okay. The similar code they have written. So without br, this is the tag HTML is giving pre tag. We'll see the output now. The same output. We see in pre tag only they have written. I am guaranteed with not underline. So we have to remove this underline. So underline, right? So we remove this underline now. Remove this underline. Control S. Now reload it. We are getting underline, okay? But they don't have underline, okay? We'll try to remove this. So we'll keep none. None. Okay. Reload it. So it's not coming. Don't know why. But the thing is that they wrote the same way. They wrote the same way. That is how it is reflected. Getting the same thing. When you click on it, it is redirected to Google. You may think why? Because in Notepad, we are writing a anchor href equal to this Google link. That's why it is related to that. If you write youtube.com and just you see the output now, it will redirect to YouTube. Click on it, it will redirect to YouTube. Okay. That's the boom. The So that's the thing. Okay, understood. I hope you have learned more in this video. Practical knowledge with practical knowledge. Now HTML has been so much has been updated, and when you refer the any references, document references, you will getting know how much so much things will be covered. And CSS introduction has been also completed. CSS lot of thing introduction has been completed in this video. Okay, by this example. And what else? Anything is left out? Uh, Anything is left out? See, I am trying to say here. If you want to see the code itself here in the Google itself, just right click on it, go to inspect. You are going to see the HTML code. If they want to modify or anything, they will write in here. Just click on here. Something or select an element. Click on this page. Go here. Click on this Google search. Okay. You go here. Just write as Sai Chandu. I am writing Sai Chandu, my name. Sai Chandu. I'm writing Sai Chandu as a button name. Just enter it. You're able to see, right? I have changed here, right? You're able to see Sai space Chandu. So whatever the code here written in HTML, we wrote in edit notepad, right? In notepad, and we wrote in this edit plus, right? So that code is present here. Entire code is present here. Click on image, Google image. We will see the image. Okay, we're able to see the Google image, right? SRC equal to email, blah 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 blah. This is nothing but their folder. This is one their folder, from their folder. Which folder? Which folder you are supposed to take? This folder, similar kind of thing. Wherever the folder in this local system is there, for them also they will be having some folders. That folder they have shown. So this is how we can change the name statically, not dynamically. If I reload this page, again the same name will be coming because that is static. Okay, if you reload it, the name that name instead of that name it came Google. Previously it was Saichen. So I can apply here also inspect it. So click on this button, arrow button. Click on here. I'm feeling lucky. Instead of feeling lucky, here you write Sai Chandu. My name I'm writing. Click on enter. So you can see right this much text. Sai Chandu, I'm feeling lucky. Google is saying like okay, okay, no problem. Just click on it. You're able to redirect to what that only because it is how this link is there, right? In href how this link is there. This Google link also they have doodles is there. These Google links, okay, I'll just copy it, paste it over here, where here. Okay, right? Just click on it, double click on it. You got entire thing, right? Just copy entire thing. Control C, Control C, and remove entire thing here. Double if you double click, entire URL will become. Where is that? Where is that? Where is here? Here. Double clicks. Just Control S, save Control S. Now we'll go back here, not here. If you reload, this will be going right, and it will be again become I am feeling lucky. Observe. Correct. So we'll go to our local system. We'll go to our local system. Just reload the page. Just if you click on it, where it directs to that, it will direct to Google. So that's how he or she has written the code like this. Okay, understood. Now, if you directly copy, there's no this link, nothing coming. Double click in, entire link will be coming. I hope you have learned more on this video practically. How this Google Chrome daily the updates and how this after clicking on inspect, I think more knowledge you have gained in this video. Okay, I hope today we have also covered some topics and relevant practical examples also we have seen in this video. Okay, if you didn't see the first video, basic video, go back and see the first video. This is for the new people. And one more thing, you can also share these things, this link with your friends, so that they will also learn these new things. I mean, people who doesn't know, new to here, they will also learn with practical examples of how this works, like the web pages. Okay, that's all in this video. And if people who are not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe to my channel. If you in future, if you want to, if you are seeing this video, and in future if you want to search my channel, just go to YouTube, play Sai Chandu D. You'll be seeing this one, right? See, this is my channel name. Click on go to the channel. See, these are all the videos playlists. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, so just click on subscribe button, and you'll be getting updates, latest updates. Okay. Recently, I'm trying to add these videos. Okay. So subscriptions you can see here there. Recently, they first. So just click on subscribe button. Okay. If you forget my channel name also Sai Chandu. And I know people who want to, after listening this, people want to. Actually, no one provides these courses freely. Okay, if people now these times latestly, you can see here paid videos also come. I know people will be there want to contribute it. Okay, we will discuss in next video about regarding the topic. Adilan, keep learning. Thank you. Thank you guys.